I've got KAZAM Tornado 350 and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, scroll down and pick apps. Here go to all, so it's the last tab, and find the browser that you are using. In my case it's Chrome, so just click over here, and now simply by tapping on clear data you can clear all browsing data in your device, in your browser. So just tap on clear data, and as you can see, all the app data will be deleted permanently. It includes files, settings, accounts, databases, and all the others. So if you truly want to do it, just click on OK. And that's it. So this is how you can easily erase all the browsing data. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.